How to verify your identity on Cash App. Hi everyone, today in this following tutorial I'll be showing you how you can verify your identity on Cash App. So verifying your identity on Cash App helps ensure security and access to various features. Here's a general guide on verifying your identity. First of all, you need to check your internet connection and then update your application. Now launch the Cash App on your or log in into your account. After that, look for your profile icon in the top right hand side corner and then click on it. Once you've done that, within the profile settings, you need to look for the option related to verification or personal information. If none of these are available, then you can go to security or privacy. So for the verification process, Cash App typically asks for your full name, your date of birth, and sometimes the last four digits of your social security number as well. After that, you might be prompted to take a photo of your state ID, license, and all sort of things using your phone's camera. So make sure to take a clear picture of your information. Once you've submitted the following information or the documents, verification may take some time, so you'll have to wait until you receive a confirmation. So in that way, you can verify your identity on Cash App. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.